Hey everybody, my name is Bob and I'm with Novato, and I'm excited today to talk to you about one of our most unique stone vessel sinks that we carry, and you'll kind of see why once I kind of dive into it. So this is our Royal Cobblestone Vessel Sink, and the model number is NOSV-CS. So I'm going to highlight some bullet points, some design attributes, and kind of go over a couple things just to make sure, give you a heads up that it's something for you and for what you're looking for. So first of all, you'll kind of notice right away that there are some differences in the shapes of these, kind of the overall color a little bit. And for instance, like this one is about 18 inches left to right and about 14 inches front to back, versus this one is about 17 inches, kind of irregular. So you do get a little bit of variety. If you are looking for kind of two of a kind, there is that option. We usually send you pictures prior to approval, just to get your confirmation that this is something that's going to work for you, color-wise and whatnot, because they do vary. It is Mother Nature, so you're going to get a little bit of everything. But at least we send you pictures, so there's no surprise when you open up the box. And then back to the attributes, they are consistent in height. They're always going to be about 5.5 inches tall. And the inside is always going to be polished. This one has a nice polished rim, polished inside. And then the really cool thing is on these is the outside is natural. So as you can tell, it's a little rough. It's not sharp or jagged or anything like that, but it's just a natural boulder feel. I mean, it's really, really cool. You get a lot of different tones and colors in there. And actually, I'm going to tip this guy up and just show you some of the differences you can see. So you can see there are different colors in this one, as differences in color in this one. So you kind of get a feel for it. So the bottom is basically smooth, and you'll simply, when you install it, you'll simply just put an adhesive on the bottom, and once you put your drain in, it's going to be solid. It's not going anywhere, because these things alone, they weigh about 70 to 80 pounds, just kind of depending. So they do come in a wood crate typically, and they're very, very solid and very durable. We do recommend the umbrella drain for this. This has an 1.75 inch opening. We recommend the umbrella drain just because it does have a little bit longer threading, and it also doesn't have an overflow. As you can probably guess, these don't have an overflow either. So these are pretty thick, and with that, typically these go on like a stone countertop, and so you do want some extra threading just to get through there. These are going to be polished, as I mentioned, but you'll still want to kind of seal it. If you're putting it on a stone countertop, chances are you're probably sealing that countertop as well. And you'll probably want like a glacier ice sealer, which is something we recommend and carry in-house here. But that's just a really great sealer. You'll basically wipe it on here, and usually one application lasts a full year. So depending on the use, that's usually going to last you for quite a while. So that kind of wraps it up. These are really good pieces, very unique pieces for like a log cabin or like a rustic design or something like that. But I mean, there's really no wrong place for them. They're very exciting, kind of dramatic pieces. You can turn them which way you want to. If you don't like this side, you can turn it around and try this side. Gives you some flexibility on where to put your faucet. You're really not gonna have a bad spot for it. So if you have any further questions though, give us a call or shoot us an email. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks.